Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the blower motor fan on Mercedes W205 C-Class, that generation here. If your blower motor fan does not work, we'll explain which fuses relays you need to check. They will be hidden, guys. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes. We'll be sharing information about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll put that information in the description of the video below. Check it out if you need anything, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well, guys. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, the blower motor fan fuses relays come. We will show you where you can find them. We will demonstrate on that Mercedes C-Class here. Quick advice, guys. 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the different fuse boxes located in that Mercedes. You have up to 6-7 fuse boxes, and some of them are extremely hidden or don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. And what we need to do now here, guys, that's where things get interesting. This is one of those hidden fuse boxes. Behind the dash, if you look on your Mercedes, you see that's a glove box. If you remove it, behind that glove box, on the left side, on the very back, in the dash there, you're going to find a fuse box that looks like this one. Now there will be many cables coming in and out of it, alright? If you open it, check out what's on the inside. This is known as the interior pre-fuse box on your Mercedes. Now, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay, and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, we need to check one fuse mainly for the blower motor fan. Now, if your blower motor fan does not work, check out the video about the climate control fuses and relays, because you will have other fuses, relays that will control the system. But the main blower motor fan fuse, guys, it's known as fuse number 3 in that system. If you come here, that's 543, fuse number 3, that 40 amp fuse, that's the main blower motor fan fuse that you will need to check on your Mercedes. Do you have relays? No, you don't have relays, guys. If you are looking for relays, you need to check the front and the rear SAM module fuses relays, because most likely that function is integrated in the front or the rear SAM module on your Mercedes C-Class. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.